Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this audio, we will discuss about the memory usage for pluggable database in Oracle. How we can check the memory usage for PDB database in Oracle. Monitoring and manage the memory usage of PDBs databases in Oracle. Check the memory usage of pluggable database. You have to run the query which is written here, select s.con underscore id, comma p.pdb underscore name, comma s.sga bytes, comma s.pga underscore bytes, comma s.buffer underscore cache underscore bytes, comma s.shared underscore pool underscore bytes from v $rsr cpd b metric. Its alias will be s, and then cdb underscore pdbs. Its alias will be p, where s.con id equals p.con id. Con id means container id. Now check the history usage of PDB databases. You can select from v $rsr cpdb metric underscore history, or you can combine this table with the cdb underscore pdbs. Important to remember, if you are running in a single PDB setup, there is no point using these settings, as you want the PDB to use all the memory assigned to the instance. In a CDB, the SGA requirements of different PDBs are different. If there is no SGA control mechanism, an active PDB may consume the main SGA space and cause other PDB resources to be strained, resulting in performance problems. The SGA target parameter can be used to limit the maximum SGA usage of a PDB. The SGA underscore target parameter of the PDB must be less than or equal to SGA underscore target setting of the CDB. The SGA minimum size mean SGA underscore min underscore size parameter is used to ensure that the SGA of the PDB will never be less than the set value. Best way is to limit the sum of the SGA underscore min underscore size values for all PDBs to 50% or less of the SGA size of the CDB. General recommendations for setting SGA underscore min underscore size, which is minimum guaranteed SGA parameter, is it must be less than or equal to 50% of the setting for the SGA target in the CDB root. It must be less than or equal to 50% of the setting for the SGA target in the PDB as well. The sum of the SGA min size settings for all PDBs must be less than or equal to 50% of the setting for the SGA target in the CDB root. It means if you have multiple PDBs, for example, if you have 5 PDBs, pluggable databases, the total sum of the SGA underscore min underscore size parameter of all these 5 pluggable databases should be less than or equal to 50% SGA target of the CDB root, which is the main cluster. Note, both SGA target and SGA min size setting in the PDB is enforced only if the SGA target initialization parameter is set to non-zero value in the CDB root. Alter session set container is equal to PDBI. This is the pluggable database name, PDBI, for example, or PDB1. Alter system set SG underscore target is equal to 1500 MB, or it is written M only for that. Scope equals both. Alter system set SGA min size equal 500 M, scope is equal to both. Both means it will change in the memory and SP file as well. So future restart will have the same effect. But because we set the container before these two commands, so these values are set only for the pluggable database. Important to remember, if you are running a single PDB setup, there is no point using these settings, as you want the PDB to use all the memory assigned to the instance. In order to control the PGA usage of the PDB, the parameters PGA underscore aggregate underscore target and PGA underscore aggregate underscore limit can be set at the PDB level. The PGA aggregate target setting is a target. Therefore, the Oracle database will try to control the use of PGA not to exceed this value, but sometimes it still exceeds. In order to specify a mandatory limit, you can use the PGA underscore aggregate underscore limit initialization parameter. The Oracle database will ensure that the use of PGA does not exceed this value. Once exceeded, the database will terminate the session with the largest untunable PGA memory allocation. The PGA underscore aggregate underscore target parameter sets the cumulative target PGA size of the PDB. The setting guide of PGA underscore aggregate underscore target parameter is as follows: must be less than or equal to PGA aggregate target value of CDB, must be less than or equal to 50% of the CDB's PGA target limit value, must be less than or equal to 50% of the PDB's PGA aggregate limit value as well. PGA aggregate limit sets the minimum PGA size that can be used by the PDB at any time. The settings guide of PGA underscore aggregate underscore limit parameter is as follows: must be less than or equal to the PGA aggregate limit value of CDB, must be greater than or equal to the PGA underscore aggregate target value of the PDB. So these were the memory settings, how we can control in the PDB. So in the next video we will discuss something more. Till then, goodbye.